Songbook, baby. Hey, shawty, it's your boy J Dot again. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for, not for the good times, not for the smiles. Thank you for putting me through all the bullshit so I can learn from my mistakes. Basically, I moved on, shawty. I think it's time for you to do the same. It's like this. Does it make you happy when you make me frown? But I always had you laughing, just wanted to be down. Oh, how funny life seems on the brink of something good, and then it turns round and does you wrong. What if you'll call? Sitting in my bed, thoughts of you in my head. Then I send you a text and no response. I wonder where you at. Is you thinking about me? Cause I'm thinking about you. Look what you make me do. It seems you only piss me off like that. So why you always have a nigga running back? What's up with that? And I done wrote a million songs where you the topic. Well, this is the last one. After this, I'ma stop it. I'm a good looking dude wasting time on you. Would've gave you diamonds, boo, but your time is through. The time for you, that is your time to ride. Shorty, it's time for you and your turn to cry. Come on.
I don't wanna kick it no more. It's your turn to cry. It's like a player and I'm gone. You don't need to bother calling my phone. I don't wanna kick it no more. It's your turn to cry. It's like a player and I'm gone. You don't need to bother calling my phone.
I feel like a fucking free man. What was I doing with you? Wasn't thinking you were so bad for me. Kinda sad I see so much later. Shawty, I don't hate ya, I'm just saying. Shawty after shawty hollered at your boy, but I felt so tied down. Cause when we ride out, seemed like everything was cool. You called me in the morning and when you got out of school. But I feel like a fool, cause I wasn't the only one. There was probably a few. What's the problem with you? You had the best fucking thing that you probably ever had. But now I'm out the door and I ain't coming back. Call me all you want till you run out of minutes. I ain't picking it up cause we finished. Focus your attentions on them dicks that just wanna hit. I quit, bye-bye, your turn to cry.
I don't wanna kick it no more. It's your turn to cry. It's like a player and I'm gone. You don't need to bother calling my phone. I don't wanna kick it no more. It's your turn to cry. It's like a player and I'm gone. You don't need to bother calling my phone.